Good morning, kids. Today I'm going to take my kids to a wonderland. Yes, a pond full of ice cream and chocolates on the trees and free toys. It's a beautiful place. And with that wonderland, I'm going to tell you a story about loyalty, a story about friendship. Yes, so let's start, children. Wonderland. Tia and Rahul were in the same class. Both wanted to become astronauts. They wanted to fly to a magical land that they had read about in a book. It was called Wonderland, a land where candies grew on trees and ponds were filled with ice cream. In Wonderland, chocolate flowed in the river and toys were free for anyone to take. It was child's dream to spend a day in Wonderland. The two friends promised that they would never visit the place without each other. One day, while returning from school, Rahul saw a strange looking creature. As he moved closer, Rahul couldn't believe his eyes. So, the story is about two friends, Rahul and Tia, and they have read in a book about a wonderland where the candies grow on trees and the ponds are filled with ice creams and free toys and beautiful place. And they both promised that whenever we go, we will go together. We will not leave anyone else, but we would go together. So Rahul was returning from the school and he saw a strange looking creature. Now let's see. Is that what I think it is? He thought aloud. Rahul ran up to him and asked, "Whoa, are you an alien?" The stranger looking creature was scared and hid behind the tree. "Hey, don't be scared. I won't hurt you," Rahul said. It peeked from behind the tree and stared at Rahul. "Yes, I am an alien," he replied softly. "Come out. Nothing will happen to you, I promise," Rahul assured the alien. So when Rahul saw this creature, he went close and saw him, and he said, "Oh, are you an alien?" The alien was scared looking at Rahul, so he peeked behind from the tree. So उसने झाँक के ट्री के पीछे से देखा राहुल को और बोला, "हाँ, मैं एलियन हूँ." राहुल ने कहा, "तुम बाहर आ जाओ, डरो मत." The alien came out and said sadly, "I have lost my way. I cannot find my friends." "Where have you come from?" inquired Rahul eagerly. "I have come from Wonderland," replied alien. Whoa, the magic land. I have heard about it and I have always wanted to go there. Is it really as wonderful as it is believed to be?" Rahul asked curiously. "Yes, it is," said the alien. Rahul sensed that the alien was not comfortable. He was frightened. "Come, I will take you home and then we will be friends. I promise you we will go back home safely," assured Rahul. And he put his arm around the alien and both walked away. So now the alien says, "I am from the Wonderland." So now Rahul is asking the alien, "Is it really very beautiful what I have read in the book?" And Rahul said that, "You look frightened, alien, so let me take you home." And they both went home. On the way, Rahul looked at the alien and said, "I am Rahul. What is your name?" "My name is Tiramisu," said the alien. Rahul pinched himself to make sure that it wasn't a dream. He still couldn't believe that he had met an alien. So Rahul घर जाते जाते बोलता है कि मेरा नाम राहुल है, आपका नाम क्या है? तो एलियन बोलता है, मेरा नाम टिरामिसू है. So राहुल पिंच करके अपने आप को देखता है कि मैं कहीं सपना तो नहीं देख रहा हूँ, सच में मेरे साथ एलियन है. On reaching home, Rahul sneaked Tiramisu to his room from the window. Tiramisu, you can stay in my room, but do not make any noise or else mother will come to know about you, warned Rahul. Tiramisu nodded. So जैसे घर पहुंचता है, राहुल क्या करता है, वो एलियन को खिड़की से अपने रूम में भेज देता है और कहता है, "बिल्कुल चुप रहना, आवाज़ नहीं करना, नहीं तो मेरी मम्मा को पता पड़ जाएगा." तो टिरामिसू कहता है, "हाँ, मैं बिल्कुल चुप रहूँगा." Then like any other day, Rahul met his mother and carried out with his daily chores, while Tiramisu stayed hidden in the room. "Mother, I had dinner. I wish to sleep early today," said Rahul after finishing his homework. After dinner, Rahul rushed his room and met Tiramisu. As Rahul entered his room, he saw Tiramisu hiding under the bed. Are you all right? Do you need something? Asked Rahul, helping him come out. I'm hungry, but I eat only chocolate. Do you have any? Asked Tiramisu politely. Rahul got all the chocolates for him. But what about your teeth? Don't they get spoiled when you eat so much chocolate? Asked Rahul curiously. So राहुल अपना होमवर्क फिनिश करके डिनर फिनिश करके रूम में चले जाता है. जैसे ही रूम के अंदर जाता है दिखता है टिरामिसू तो बेड के नीचे छुप के बैठा हुआ है. वो उसको कहता है बाहर आ जाओ, घबराने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. राहुल उससे पूछता है क्या हो गया, तुम ऐसे घबराए हुए क्यों हो? तो टिरामिसू बोलता है मुझे भूख लग रही है और मैं सिर्फ चॉकलेट ही खाता हूँ. तो राहुल उसको चॉकलेट्स ला के देता है. टिरामिसू बट व्हाट अबाउट योर टीथ, डोंट दे गेट स्पॉइल्ड व्हेन यू ईट सो मच चॉकलेट? तो राहुल पूछता है कि भाई इतना सारा चॉकलेट तुम खाते हो, तुम्हारे दांत खराब नहीं होते? Tiramisu opened his mouth with a wide smile. Rahul noticed he had no teeth. I don't have any teeth, so I don't have to worry about them getting spoiled, he laughed. Tiramisu was very glad that Rahul had a variety of chocolates. They shared the chocolate and played together with Rahul's toy. Tiramisu thanked Rahul for the delicious treat. Both Rahul and Tiramisu were excited about this extraordinary new friendship. तो टिरामिसू अपना मुंह हंसते हुए खोल के दिखाता है कि मेरे को कोई टीथ ही नहीं है, इसलिए मुझे चॉकलेट से कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. बट ज़्यादा चॉकलेट खाने से बच्चों हमारे दांत खराब हो जाते हैं, इसलिए आपको ज़्यादा चॉकलेट्स नहीं खानी है. राइट? द टू फ्रेंड्स स्पेंड द एंटायर नाइट टॉकिंग अबाउट वंडरलैंड. राहुल वॉज ऑन टॉप ऑफ द वर्ल्ड टू हियर अबाउट द वंडरलैंड फ्रॉम समवन हु लिव्ड देयर. सो टिरामिसू राहुल को वंडरलैंड के बारे में बता रहा था और राहुल को बहुत अच्छा लग रहा था. अर्ली मॉर्निंग राहुल स्नीक टिरामिसू आउट ऑफ द रूम. इट वॉज संडे एंड एवरीबडी वॉज होम was still asleep. Rahul gave him clothes and a cap to Tiramisu so that nobody would notice him. Both of them went in search of Tiramisu's friend. This is where we met. Your friend should be nearby, said Rahul. तो संडे मॉर्निंग को राहुल और टिरामिसू जल्दी उठ जाते हैं और राहुल उसको अपने कपड़े दे देता है पहनने के लिए और हैट दे देता है, कैप दे देता है ताकि कोई उसको पहचान नहीं पाए. एंड वो चले जाते हैं टिरामिसू के फ्रेंड्स को ढूंढने. Tiramisu, look, Rahul shouted excitedly. See these marks, do you recognize them? Yes, my spaceship landed here, Tiramisu cried with happiness. तो राहुल बोलता अरे ये मार्क्स देखो किसके हैं? तो टिरामिसू कहता अरे ये तो मेरी स्पेसशिप के मार्क्स हैं. Oh, that's good. Then your friends must be somewhere nearby. Let's look for them. And Rahul said confidently. As they went looking, Tiramisu spotted his friends in the distance. He had made a sound to call his friend, Zui, Zui, Zui. Rahul looked at him puzzled. In no time, Tiramisu friends waved to him and made the same sound. Soon, two other friends joined them. So, जैसे ही दूर से देखता है एलियन अपने फ्रेंड्स को, वो आवाज़ निकालने लग जाता है अजीबोगरीब. एंड उसके फ्रेंड्स वापस से वो आवाज़ निकालते हैं और जल्दी जल्दी टिरामिसू के पास आ जाते हैं. Tiramisu was happy to see his friend. He hugged them and jumped with joy. Thank you, Rahul. You helped me a lot, said Tiramisu happily. Oh, this is what friends are for, smiled Rahul. Rahul, why don't you come with us to the Wonderland for a day? Tiramisu said. What, Wonderland? Yes, why not? I will come. Rahul was overjoyed. सो टिरामिसू राहुल को बोलता है थैंक यू सो मच मेरे फ्रेंड से मुझे मिलवाने के लिए, चलो मेरे साथ वंडरलैंड चलो तुम. इट वॉज टेम्पटिंग ऑफर बट सडनली ही रिमेंबर्ड समथिंग. ओ आई कैनॉट कम, आई प्रॉमिस्ड टिया आई विल गो टू द वंडरलैंड ओनली विद हर. आई कैनॉट ब्रेक माई प्रॉमिस, राहुल एक्सप्लेन्ड. यू आर सच अ लॉयल फ्रेंड, राहुल सेड टिरामिसू प्राउडली. आई विल कम टू सी यू सून, टिरामिसू, राहुल प्रॉमिस्ड. He took out his phone and clicked the picture with his new friends. So Rahul said, I can't leave Tia and come alone. I will come to Wonderland very soon with my friend. And then he clicked a selfie with all his alien friends. I will wait for you, said Tiramisu and fly off in the spaceship waving goodbye. So Tiramisu अपने friends के साथ spaceship में बैठ के घर चला जाता है. That evening Tia was very happy to know that Rahul did not go without her. Rahul's picture with the alien was a secret between two friends, and they sat down to make plans to visit the Wonderland. So राहुल टिया के पास जाता है और टिया को सब बातें बताता है, वो पिक्चर बताता है, एंड टिया वॉज वेरी हैप्पी कि राहुल टिया को छोड़ के नहीं गया. ही वॉज अ वेरी लॉयल फ्रेंड. राइट चिल्ड्रेन? Yes, that is what friendship is all about. That you have to be true to your friends. आपको अपने फ्रेंड्स को हमेशा हेल्प करना चाहिए. उनको जब भी आपकी मदद हो आप उनकी मदद करिए, टाइम स्पेंड करिए, खेलिए कूदिए. राइट? बी लॉयल टू देम. कीप योर प्रोमिसेस, डोंट ब्रेक देम. ओके, नाउ चिल्ड्रन, ऑन पेज नंबर 23, do you see the strawberry there? It says the strawberry is divided into 4 sections. In each section write a nice word about your friend and then complete the sentence. So write about your best friend the 4 things that you like about the 4 words about your friend. Write it in the strawberry. My friend's name is, write your best friend's name here. I love my friend because. Why do you like your friend, or why do you love your friend? Write these 3-4 sentences here, kids. Okay, this is all about Wonderland, and this is all about loyalty, promise and friendship. Okay, read the chapter thoroughly. You will enjoy the story, kids, and always be a true friend and keep your promise. Okay, I will see you in the next class with other activities of the lesson. Till that time, keep washing your hands like good children and be safe. Bye-bye.